Okay, guys, good morning, good afternoon to some of you. My name is Bruce. I'm back today with Super Forex, guys. Today, guys, I'm back with Pound AUD and Pound CAD on the same analysis, guys. So, first of all, let's start with Pound CAD, guys. So, what you see on Pound CAD, we started on weekly. So, what I saw on weekly when I just zoomed in there, I just saw that, okay, this level here, price there formed like something we call it a bullish engulfing. As you can see here, price is called a bullish engulfing. So this candle is bigger than all these three. So it shows us that it might be pushing all the way up. So what is price doing right now? This candlestick here is tracing this bullish engulfing. Remember, each candle should have its own retracement. That's why even if you saw a breakout, like if you see a breakout here, this engulfing candle break that trend line there, because we call it a trend line because we have this 1, 2, 3 levels there. So we had that breakout there. So this was your 1, 2, 3, right? And then we had our breakout there. So price now is retracing this level before it goes up. So where do we get the entry? So if you look closely on H4, that's where we can say okay, we might get our entry there. But first we just have to add the confluences. So let's just draw a trend line goes up like that, right? I just drew that trend line because of this level here. Okay, because we had this level here, we had this one here. This one here might still be the same as that one here, and then we had this one here, and also this one here might be the same as this one. And then now, if you can just throw another trend line there, you can see that okay, price break that trend line, went a little bit low, up and down. So price might be ready for a buy there. So guys, my advice for you guys is to go for a buy on this one, guys. The very same time we just go for a buy, guys. So as you can see here, guys, if you're buying in there, your stop loss can be below this low here, right? And then you push the price all the way up. Okay, okay, guys, thank you very much for this one. Let's go quickly straight to Pound AUD. So what do we have on Pound AUD? First of all, we have like this one, guys, like sort of a lot of arguments on this one, because as you can see now, we had price going down to this one. Some can claim that this level here is a double top. So if you claim that that level there is a double top, remember the first leg of a double top, which can be this one, right, should be equal to the second leg should be equal to the first leg of a double top. So looking at that first leg and the second leg, that's something that is confusing that you should also look at. If you look at this level here, that level here seems as a strong level. And then if you look at this level here again, let me get rid of this one. Okay. That one is a double top. Okay, if you look at this level here, this level here might be our A, B, C, D. So if you get A, B, C, D here, so if we say here is A, here is B, C, and then we're expecting D here. So if you're expecting D here, you're expecting to take our profit there if you are selling it here, guys. I'm not saying you should sell. If you're selling it there, you might look to take your profit here. Because when it reaches this level here, I'm looking for a long-term buy. So why do I say I'm looking for a long-term buy there? And then why do I say there is possibility for a sell there? It's because of this A, B, C, D, and this bearish, okay, and that bearish flag. Okay, so let's go to daily to see where is the real price, what is the real price doing, and what is the market telling us about its own movement from this one. Okay, so if you go to daily, check it on daily. If you go to daily, we can say what is market doing right now. Market changed the biggest structure. It was going down all the way up, down from that level there. So if you look, you can see that the market changed the biggest structure. So the biggest structure that market has changed can be this one here. Remember, the strongest level is on a higher time frame. So our change of structure on a higher time frame is this one here. So what is the market forming right now? The market forms something we call it a flat channel. So if you look at this level here, that level here might be our demand zone. So if that one is our demand zone, so this level here will have our shoulder, We can name it a shoulder, right? If you just name it a shoulder, that level there. Okay, if this level here is your shoulder, right? And then we might expect another shoulder this side. So we might still expect price to push a little bit down to that level there, and then goes up, right? And if price goes up, guys, if you see with Elliott wave, this one can be your wave one, right? Let me just use this nice tool. If you say this one is wave one, we're expecting wave two, and then wave three, which is always the longest. So wave three might be a little bit higher to this level there. So guys, my advice for this one is to make sure that you know how to handle your pressure, you know how to control your emotions. Because if you jump in right now, the stop loss is going to be a little bit far, guys. If you jump in right now with a sell, if they buy, you can see that the stop loss will be around 339, and then your TP will be around 1000, which is the ratio and reward is fine, guys. I don't care about the ratio and reward is, yeah, but the only thing I care about is the stop loss level. Yeah, how much are you gonna risking? Remember, this price paid a lot. So let's say we jump in here. Let's say price give us this level to jump in. So we'll jump in here, and then our TP will be around 1520 pips, and then we'll be only risking like 236 pips, which is enough for me to do what? To risk based on the ratio. So if you are risking like 60 pips, 40, 50 pips, 60 pips there, your stop loss will be around that level, which is very, very dangerous, guys. It's gonna hit you, hard. So guys, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you do follow-ups, guys. Any questions, you just do send us our comment on below, and then that's for me, Bruce Lewis and Super Forex. I'll see you again next time.